Ayame, I want you to see if this is true, and if so, to deal with the situation.
You make it sound like it'll be easy.
This is not a time for wit. There are also reports of ninjas being spotted near the castle. You need to find out who they are and stop them immediately.
All right, just leave it to me.
I'm counting on you,
It doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense.
You lost. Accept it.
Are you that upset at what I did to Rikimaru?
Shut up. I should have caught on to what you were planning sooner. Now I'm just making up for that mistake.
Oh, I think it's a bit more than that. Every fiber of your being is just bursting with your heart's lust for rage and hatred.
You really don't get it, do you? That's not going to work on me. There's no way you can play me. And you know why? Because I'm not like you. I almost feel pity for you, for what you are.
Really, no fun at all. Still, you win this time. I look forward to our next game, Ayame.
And please, make sure.
Onikage! Damn it!
Ayame.
You're wounded. You should be resting.
If I hadn't gotten hurt, none of this would have happened.
Well, that's what you get for trying to be the hero, you know.
Suppose so.
Hey, I saw that smile. What, a smart little comeback this time?
Let's head home. The princess is waiting for you.
Kiku. Yeah, you're right. Let's head home.